Hello everyone, hope so you all are doing good. In this video I'll show you how to fix hang and lagging problem in Motorola H70 Pro Plus. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe and watch our complete video.